Okay guys, we are finally just leaving the hotel to go out to the beach. We actually don't know where the beach is, and also we were meant to actually check where the beach was, didn't we? Alright, so we're going to the beach. Alright, we're going to the beach. Don't know if you can see what I'm wearing, Elsa. And I'm wearing today. Look at my little pouch. This is going with me everywhere. So yeah, let me show you Elsa. This is Elsa. Okay, alright, okay, I see you. Alright, so yeah. Alright, you guys, we are now on our way to the beach. We need to find out where this beach is. And just stay tuned. Okay guys, we made it to the beach. We found the beach somehow. You know what, it wasn't actually that hard. So I'm going to show you the beautiful view at the beach. So we walk around, eat some food, whatever it is. And yeah, we're here living life, baby. So we are now at, well, we were meant to go to the beach. We were at the beach actually. We were at the beach and then we got a bit thirsty, so we ended up at Centro Comercial Las Palmeras. I don't know how we got here. We've just been walking all day. We don't even know how we got here. So just gonna look around. Oh yeah, I found my Lancome foundation, guys. I found it here at some store called Sabina Beauty and Fashion. Hopefully it's a real Lancome. It looks like a legit shop. Anyway, yeah, I got my foundation for like 20. How much was it? 28. It's like just under 30 euros, which is like way less than 30 pounds for a Lancome Tent Idol foundation, guys. I feel like, oh, Bershka, we're going into Bershka now. Let me see. Yes, let's do this. It's starting to rain, so obviously I'm not trying to rain my camera. I'm going to put it away now, but we'll catch up with you later. Okay guys, it is now day 2 and we are still in Fuerteventura. This is day 2. So it's the second day. Today we're going to go quad biking. So far so good. It's been quite good, hasn't it? Yeah. And yeah, today we're just going to do that and then try and hopefully take some pictures for Instagram. Hopefully we can actually do that, and I will keep you updated. Oh yeah guys, one thing I have to say I've noticed about this place, I think I mentioned it yesterday, the whole staring thing. I'm really trying to understand. If you know why, just comment below. Is it because like I'm a bit darker than they come, or I mean she's not even that dark and we're still getting all the attention, or is it because we're just so beautiful? I'd like to think it's because we're so beautiful, obviously. But yeah, so we're going off now to quad biking, and then oh yeah, as you can see, I had to take the wig off, honey. Not because it was too hot, just because I just felt like if you're gonna enjoy your life, you're gonna live your life, just be comfortable. If I'd known, I would have probably done a wig like Elsa. Like that hair is just giving me life right now. It doesn't bother you, it's just on your head. Whereas me, I'm having to worry about like trying to stick a wig on, trying to make it secure. It's just long, and it was long as well. The hair was also long. Yeah, so yeah, don't take long hair only when you go on holiday. Always have like a short hair ready. And I'm going to make a pixie cut, so I'm wearing that to be honest, because I am fed up of long hair when the weather is that hot. Like you don't want anything to touch you in the back of your neck, you know. So yeah, natural hair for today. And we are going, where are we going, Elsa? Quad biking! Woo! Wait, hold on. Okay guys, so it's been raining, so we've been wet like twice now while trying to walk to the Centro Comercial. And this quad bike is not happening. First of all, they don't actually do quad biking here. Don't know where I got that from, but they don't do quad biking. They do something called like a buggy ride, and that's like 80 euros for 4 hours. I mean, I don't have 4 hours to be on a buggy ride with somebody, and it's not as fun, to be honest. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to walk around and see what else Fuerteventura has to offer us, and if we can't find anything, we will just get a tan and go home. The sun's coming back out again, so it's literally just been raining, shining sun, or it's just been rain and sunshine for the past like a whole day basically. It's a crappy weather day basically. It's your girl TK. I am here in Spain, and today we're going to be doing the TAK Soccer Challenge. It's using the song Soccer by Wizkid, and all I need you to do is to do this when it says soccer, and when it comes, when you hear the chorus, just gonna go here, step to the right, step to the left, and you're going to keep doing that until it's done. I know we can all do this. We are your baby, we are your baby, we are your body, soccer. We are your baby, we are go crazy, we are your body, soccer. Want to spend money, make me spend money, make me spend money, soccer. We are your baby, we are go crazy, we are your body, soccer, 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 baby, soccer, 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 soccer. We are grateful, loco, 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 loco. We are grateful, baby. Sucker, sucker, sucker. Electumare, bless you with body, oh baby. Oh. Star boy, go bless you with body. It rained a lot today. It was like 2 minutes, 3 minutes rain, but it wasn't like amazing or anything like that. The weather wasn't great, but we still managed to get some really good pictures. I'll put some in the video. What else happened today, Elsa? Nothing. Yeah, we just walked around in the rain, didn't really get to do much, but then that's our fault because we didn't plan anything. But tomorrow we're going to go to the beach and just relax. Literally, I want to be like 2 shades darker than this, if not more. So the nightlife of this hotel is not the best because it's mostly old people. So I guess if you're older, then there's entertainment, dance, music and stuff, but for us young ones, it's just like, what are we doing here? You actually look out of place when you step in, so it's just like, okay, I'm just gonna go back to my room and watch a movie. So we've just been watching movies. I mean, can't even watch the TV because we don't speak Spanish and there's no subtitles in English. So yeah, it's a bit cold, so we can't chill outside by the poolside. We're just literally in our room. It's been raining all day, especially since we got back from the beach. It's just been raining, it's been horrible, but we're going to make the most of it. We're not going to complain. And I'm going to show you what it looks like outside at night anyway. Alright. So yeah, most people have gone to sleep. You can see the pool's like really settled and nothing really going on. I'm going to try to get up early tomorrow and take pictures before it gets like packed here, and then just try and make the most of like the day basically. Hopefully it works, and if it doesn't, then I guess it doesn't. We just make do with it, but we have got some pictures. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, then obviously you're missing out on a lot. So check out my Instagram. I'm going to put the link right here so you can check it out. Yeah, all right guys, I will catch you in the morning. All right, good morning guys. Day 3. I managed to wake up early. Well, Elsa woke me up early and we managed to take some pictures. It wasn't particularly sunny, but we got the pictures in the end anyway. So yeah, I'll be posting that as well. I'll probably put some pictures in this video too. The weather is still rubbish, but it's still very early right now. It's actually 9:36 right now. So we'll see how the weather upholds. So if it does, we're planning to go to the beach, take loads of pictures and just tan as much as we can. But if the weather doesn't uphold, then I don't know, we'll just watch movies. Since we haven't been able to show you a great Fuerteventura so far, maybe if you know any good spots, you can leave a comment below so that it would help somebody else that also wants to come to Fuerteventura. But it is a nice destination. I do think if you come later in the year, the weather will be a lot better, but right now it's just very miserable. I might as well be in London, to be honest. All in all, I'm still enjoying the experience and the company, and just a break sometimes is all you need, like just a getaway. So this has been good regardless. The sun's teasing us, so it keeps coming in and going. So I think it will come by midday. We'll see what happens and get ready and just get out, go to the beach. Okay guys, update. We came back from the beach a couple hours ago and it was nice. We just slept actually. It was quite needed, I think. Sleep in the afternoon, I'd hardly do that, but that was quite nice. Yes, that's it. That's the update for today. Today wasn't that interesting. The food was a little bit better according to Elsa. I still think it was crap.
No, it's better. At least I could eat.
if you're vegetarian or vegan, this is not the place for you, because the all-inclusive does not include vegans or vegetarians or Muslims, as a matter of fact, because everything is pork, and it's just like there's a lot of pork there. There's like, today I had to eat rice with no stew because the sauce that they had pork inside. There was aubergine. I don't know what that is. I've never eaten that in my life, and it just looked like green peppers, and I wasn't going to start today, to be honest. So yeah, there wasn't anything, and if you're a Muslim, just stay away. I'm joking, okay. There's loads of beef and chicken, but it's just not as inclusive as it could be. But then they mostly get English visitors, so I guess it is inclusive and considerate of most English people anyway. Yeah, that's it. I will speak to you guys probably in the morning, because I don't think there's anything interesting that's going to happen tonight. I'm just gonna go to bed. See you later. Don't be morning, guys. It's our last day, and now we're just basically packing our stuff. It's been a great trip, but the weather has been such a letdown today. I feel like I've just complained mostly about the weather. I've been a letdown. Such a UK thing to do, but the weather's been rubbish today. It's the last day, and now it's time to pack our stuff. Such a sad time. Back to London, back to work, back to uni, back to life. Life back to reality. So yeah, not much going on today, just literally packing our stuff, making sure we've got like our important documents ready and in my pouch. And they're just gonna eat the stale food. They're going to feed us. Going to eat the stale food and literally just lay down. The bed is filled with sand. If you're going to the beach, have a shower either there or somewhere before you enter the house, before you get onto your bed. Lesson learned. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's our last day in Fuerteventura. We're now on our way to the airport and just packing our bags. Managed to squeeze everything, including what we bought, into our bags. We don't really get to eat breakfast because our flight is at 10, which means we need to leave this place for 7:30. So we're getting a packed lunch, which is probably going to be bread, like really tough bread and butter. No tea, no hot drinks. I might just get a hot drink at the airport because you know me, I like hot drinks. I don't know, I'm just hoping it's not raining, at least in London. I'm hoping we just get some bit of sunshine, like just to welcome us back, because I mean, we're very important people, I like to think, you know. Yeah, bye guys. And tomorrow is our last proper day before the flight on Thursday morning. What do you have planned? Just chill and get a tan. I've noticed my tan and I've made sure to get it all even. So I am back in London now. It was a nice journey back, and I got home and I saw Mummy. Oh, look at you. Come give me a hug. Come give me a hug. Yeah, so it's been fun. Tired. I'm going to get some sleep. Probably going to edit this video now as well, so I can get it out tonight or possibly by tomorrow morning, and just basically start preparing for exams and complete my essays. So the fun's over until June anyway, and then the holiday's on from uni anyway. I'm just excited. I feel like I'm ready to work, and I don't want to bore you guys with that side of things. Let me know if you liked this whole vlogging experience and if you want me to do it a bit more, because I'm always looking for content for you guys. So if you enjoyed it, let me know and I will start doing more vlogging, and obviously still posting workout videos and all the other things I plan to do. But I quite enjoyed this, you know, sharing little moments of my day / life with you. If you enjoyed it too, please remember, not just a thumbs up, but leave a comment and let me know if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much guys for listening to my boring life and story.